What I want to talk about now, the traditional or the top six at the moment, the strikers when they signed this summer or last summer, exception of Aston Villa and Man City, because Aston Villa and Man City not signed new striker for last summer. So I'll start from Arsenal. Arsenal have signed Victor Gyökeres, and he don't play 31 games, then don't score 12 goals and 2 assists. I think the goals when he don't score not really reflect that guy performance, because if you ask me, Victor Gyökeres has been a great addition to this current Arsenal squad or team. He has been playing well. His hold up play is very good. He's good. So I think it's a good addition, but number-wise, the numbers are not really numbering, but it's a good addition if you ask me. Then moving on to Manchester United, the person of Benjamin Sesko, when Man U signed during the summer, he don't play 21 games, don't score 6 goals, 1 assist. I really know at the moment, I don't really see Benjamin Sesko as a good fit for Manchester United, or Manchester United don't be good fit for Benjamin Sesko. It's like two different individuals. I know say man you not be individual. I'm just trying to explain what I mean. It be like they compatible, because even I think they don't change manager and Michael Carrick there now. Even with this Michael Carrick, the performance is still not there for me. But overall, they try. He's doing his best. Maybe he just need, because some players they need more time to adapt to the system. So maybe he's still taking time to adjust to the Manchester United system of play. But for the now, I not really. It's not really his performance is not really impressive for me. Then we move to Chelsea. Chelsea signed Joao Pedro during the summer from Brighton. So Joao Pedro don't play 35 games this season. He don't score 14 goals and 5 assists. I mean, generally, not be all the ones when they talk since now, the total number of scores. Although I will put them up here, make everybody they see each one they talk about. So Pedro don't score 14 goals out of 35 games, get 5 assists. So if you ask me, Pedro, I'm a Chelsea fan. Pedro is still need time to be examined. He's doing